glasses. I'm out the door. Just sitting here with Nikki, being bored. Thanks. No, thank you. We're gay. Look at this song. That's what I got for Brooklyn. That's what I got for Abby. That's what I got for Gracie.
Ugly.
Let me see. He hates you. Oh, isn't it so pretty? It's a kick-ass picture frame.
Picture frame.
That's what I got for what's it? Kristen.
No.
It's all the crap I took to Nikki's house. Flat, by the way. Obsessed.
That's cute.
Sexy.
Actually, that's kind of bad. Just delete it.